Go ahead.
Are you allowed to wear a watch on Shabbos? Just I can't remember if you're allowed to. I forgot.
Okay, that's a good question. So, so we're talking about. So I assume that you're talking about the area when without eruv, because if there is an eruv, like in campus and there's halachic eruv, maybe in an area where you can carry things, that's a different story. So you of course you can wear the watch. But let's say when you are in an area when there is no eruv or there is no reliable eruv, right? So it's a very good question. So it depends who you are, right? So I would say just say for women, no problem. Why? For women, no problem? Because for women, it's like a jewelry, it's like decoration, right? There is no problem. They wear like necklace, rings, no problem. For men, not so much. And the example our sages say, look at the brilliance of our exam of our sages. So they said let's say this guy has a watch, I don't know, like $20,000 watch, right? But let's say it's not working for whatever reason, the battery is out, whatever. So he's not going to work. Like it's a cost a lot. So he's not going to wear this watch on Shabbos. Why? I mean, on a regular day. Why? Because it's not exactly the like decoration for him. It's like the watch is there to tell time. So it's not article of clothing for him. So for women, many women, so if it's not sparkling watch, they're going to wear like as a decoration, it's a bracelet. It's a beautiful bracelet. So that's why for women there is no problem to wear watch. For men, they do not do not wear the watch. On Shabbos, if there is no eruv, there is a like a lenient opinion that say if it's very expensive watch. I don't know what's very expensive. Depends on the place where you live. Maybe about $2,000, $5,000. I don't know. So maybe golden watch with diamonds. I don't know. So yeah, they would allow, but as a decoration because it makes him happy, right? To show out the watch. For me, it's okay. I have different opinion, but psychological opinion. If a man has to show off to another man with a watch, like go learn some Torah, go learn whatever we learn in a Rambam. Maybe going to straighten you up a little. But for women, there is no problem. If she enjoys to wear these things, no problem. That's the thing. So on Shabbos, you're allowed to do. One second. Let me finish. Just 1 second. Sorry. So on Shabbos, you're allowed to wear some article of clothing, right? To protect yourself from elements, for your dignity, right? From elements for your dignity, and for your medical needs. Some bandages, for example, it would be allowed. But all other things that are not clothing, so watch for a man, it's not clothing and it's not decoration. So if it's like that's it, it's not. So if it's broken, he would not wear. But women, I don't want to say all women, but many women would wear, especially they have smaller watches, right? And the bracelets is beautiful, sparkling. So for them, it's like a decoration. There is no problem. Okay, go ahead. Sorry, go ahead.
Thank you. So just to make sure, you can wear it no matter what. We have an arrow of no or not. You can wear it.
Yes. For women,
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
If it is but it must be like something like of value, and it's not like for example, kids cannot. Kids is different. Okay, let's say a woman cannot wear a plastic watch, like a cheap one, like Timex, I don't know, because it's not a decoration. It's just to take time. She has to pick up her baby from her friends at I don't know 2:30 p.m. Let's say on Shabbat. So that's what she's. It's a very practical decoration. Yes, practical no. When there is no eruv, when there is an eruv, you can wear. Go ahead.
Okay, so no wearing it if there's no arrow.
If it's cheap stuff, if it's not for decoration.
But if it's jewelry and decorating, it's fine. Okay.
Yeah, so that doesn't have to be like jewelry, like gold or something. But if it's like make very nicely, like she would want to show off to her friends. There is no problem, so she can wear it. But like some timings, like $5 watch, like I don't know, just to tell time, they're pretty accurate. Maybe of to 1 or 2 minutes a month, but it's pretty accurate. Okay, so.
Okay.
Mhm.